Okay, let's make a start. My name is Asad Yaqub. What's your name, please?
My name is Adeen Asad.
All right, Adeen Asad. Do you work or study?
I study at the moment.
Okay, what is your favorite food?
Well, my favorite food is not just one thing. I love everything that comes with extra protein, that is chicken, and also I love a lot of cheese on my food. So to answer your question, mostly I like pizzas.
All right, how often do you cook for yourself?
I try my best to cook for myself at least once in a week. So every now and then, I'm just scrolling on my phone, and if I find a recipe that really attracts me, I try my best to cook it right at the moment.
Do you like to eat same dishes again and again, or do you try new ones as well?
It depends on the type of food it is. If it is a food to my liking, I really would love to eat that dish again and again, whether it's breakfast, dinner, or lunch. Otherwise, if it's something I don't really like, I would prefer another dish.
What do you like about cooking?
Well, it's that process of cooking when you're just adding the ingredients, and it kind of feels like witchcraft. You're just putting everything in a cauldron, following a recipe, following instructions. So my most favorite part is following the instructions.
All right, do you cook for yourself or do you cook for your family as well?
At the moment, I just cook for myself, but if my family wants some, I do not say no to them.
Selfish. All right, one last question. What's your favorite meal of the day? Breakfast, lunch, or dinner?
My favorite meal is breakfast because that's the one meal I start my day with, and it can come in different varieties from being protein filled to carb filled. So I really like my breakfast.
All right, thank you so much. That's the end of your IELTS speaking test part
Glad.
1. All right, guys, I teach IELTS online all over the world and on campus here in Lahore. If you wish to be the part of my online or on-campus IELTS classes, my WhatsApp number is given. You can contact me for that. You will get $50 for this video, okay?
I prefer 1.5.
All right, let's see. Thank you.